Easy recipe on how to make your Edikang Ikong, your vegetable soup. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your vegetable soup. In order not to waste your time, let's get right into it. Cooking is easy, but in order for you to get it right, you need to know your ingredients. First thing first, this is your Ugwu leaf, and then your water leaf. Sorry, I live in Lagos, Nigeria. Then this is your Uziza leaf, your periwinkles, your red oil, your dried fish, your crayfish, your blended pepper, your cow skin, also known as pomo, your stockfish, and then your ready boiled beef. That's your protein of your choice. In the pot, you go in with your red oil. You allow your oil to get hot a little bit. Then after that, you go in with your blended pepper. And then you stir just like the way I'm doing. After that, you go in with your calf skin, that's your pomo. And then you go in with your stockfish. Also, your beef, which is your protein. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. For me, I'm using cow meat. And after that, you stir and make sure all ingredients are well incorporated. They are well properly mixed. And after that, you cover and allow it to simmer for just 15 minutes. Note, it has to be on low heat. After that, you open, you stir a bit to make sure it is not burnt. And then you go in with your vegetable, but first you have to go in with your water leaf. This has to go in first because it produces a lot of water and you don't want your soup to be watery, so you go in with it first and then you mix and make sure all ingredients are properly mixed together. Then you cover and allow it to get cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, you go in with your seasoning cube. Earlier, I didn't go in with my seasoning cube because my beef were already parboiled, and this is the best time for you to go in with your seasoning cube. I stir a bit to make sure it is well properly mixed. And then I cover, allow it to steam for just 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. This is how it's going to turn out to be. And then I mix together. After that, I'm going in with my Ugwu leaf. Then I mix together just like the way we did earlier. Make sure everything is properly mixed and then you cover and allow it to steam too, just like we did with the water leaf. Time for us to go in with our other ingredients. Time for us to go in with our dry fish. Then I'm going in with my crayfish. I'm also going in with my periwinkles and a little bit of red oil because the red oil is not enough, so I don't want it to go in dry. I don't want my soup to be dry, so I'm going in with a little bit of red oil. Then I have to stir and make sure all ingredients are well incorporated. Make sure it is well and properly combined together. And after turning for a while, then I cover and allow it to steam for just few minutes. Then I stir and mix together. Then I'm going in with our last ingredient, which is our Uziza leaf. I'm going in with my Uziza leaf, then I mix together. Our soup is almost ready. Just go follow this step-by-step tutorial on how to make your Edikang Ikong soup or your vegetable soup. Follow this step by step and you're going to have the same results like I did and like I'm doing right now. I mix, and after that it's time for us to serve. Our soup is ready. This is how the soup is going to look like. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, tell me how I did, what you think. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share and like this video. And also guess what I paired this soup with. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.